Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rebecca and our channel is called Rebecca's Doing the Crew. We do weekly shop with me videos and craft ideas. So today we're going to show what's new at the Dollar Tree. This is for Tuesday, May the 10th, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what's new. By the way, we're in the DFW area. So for apparel and accessories, we've got some new socks. These are the crew style socks. We've got SpongeBob, Swedish Fish, the Hot Cheetos, the Kool-Aid Man, there's the Lay's, and the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. There's also the Ninja Turtles and Pop-Tarts. Then we've got these fun socks by Juncture. There's a 2-pack. It's the rainbow checkerboard, which I thought the colors were so pretty. They also have a white pair with stripes, and then the no-show socks and a 2-pair with the tie-dye pattern on the front. We've got the 5-pack of Disney Cruella de Vil socks in the no-show style. There's this yellow pair here with her laughing. All different designs here. We've got a pink pair that says Cruella de Vil on a safety pin. The Hello Cruel World. And then this blue pair here that says Cruella. And then we've got some Juncture brand tote bags that are clear. If you notice the handles and the stitching and then the edging is all the same color, but the bag itself is clear. They're quite large tote bags. They come in pink, purple, lime green, and black. For arts and crafts this week, we've got a bunch of the jute fabric, and they have it in the patriotic colors. We've got the red, the white, the solid blue, and these are 18 by 21 inch pieces. They are 100% jute. We've got the brown background with the red, white, and blue stripes or the blue stars. And then there is the solid browns. These were out a few weeks ago and they've just restocked them. They were sold out pretty quickly around here. We also have the bead garland in red, white, and blue. You get 108 inches. The ceramic pots that have no finish. They can be used with the new ceramic paints that they're carrying. And then they've got this new Cousins DIY jewelry kits and these pop-up boxes on the ends of the aisles. I thought these are really neat. It's by cousinsdiy.com. You can get a pack of beads that look like the yellow smiley faces. They also have them in silver and black. A whole bag of the pearl seed beads in white. They also had these beads with the alphabet in silver and in gold. I believe you get about 68 pieces in each pack. Don't hold me to that, but that's pretty close to what it said. I can't remember exactly. There's also the jump beads. The spacers. We've got some earring kit to make earrings. There's also the bead bracelet findings. It's got the claw clip at the end. It has the jump rings and the wire. And then we've got the 9 feet of aluminum wire in gold, black, and silver. And the necklace and earring cards. You get 15 in each pack. They also had these fun hotel keys in the pastel colors. They had the solid black. You get them in a 4-pack. And then the red, blue, purple, and yellow. So like Hobby Lobby, you'll get a 6-pack, but they cost more. These are $1.25 for 4, so a pretty good bargain. We have the polymer clay tools with some new polymer clay. They have the pastel colors. That's a 5-pack. There you get 5 different colors. They have the earthy tones. There's 2 packs of those. Then we have some of the more brighter colors, like the traditional red, blue, yellow, green, and orange, and then the pink, blue, and magenta. For baby toddler items, we have the sandwich containers and drink cups with Disney. There's Bluey, things like that. They also have a bunch of the Sesame Street characters. There's Abby, Elmo, and all of the characters together, like Cookie Monster, Oscar, and Big Bird. They also have in these Firefly Clean Collection toothbrushes. You can get the Blue's Clues brushes as well. Those are the battery operated brushes with lights. It has 1 minute to 2 minute timers on them. We've got the health and beauty items for cosmetics. There's the Wet and Wild Sesame Street characters. So I saw these last week. It's a 3-piece multi-stick set. And then they were just sitting on a shelf. They weren't hanging. The lipstick, the L is for lipstick with Abby on it. Those were in a plastic container sitting on the shelf. And so were the lip gloss, which is a light pink lip gloss. And then this week I found the eyeshadow palette and it was nowhere near where I found the rest of the Sesame Street makeup. So I know some people are really looking for it. So if you're looking for it, like I said, none of it was hanging. They were all in either bins or they were sitting on the shelf. And then the eyeshadow palette, which you see right here, really cute, has some imprints in some of the colors of the characters. These were actually up by the register, still sitting in a cardboard box. I almost missed them. I just kind of turned around so I could get something out of the cart when they caught my eye. So they were nowhere near the rest of the cosmetics or in the cosmetics aisle. They were up by the register. So each store, I feel, is probably keeping them in a different section. So I keep my eye out for them if you wanted them. Over in the hair care, I love these new fashion headbands. If you notice, it has like a denim style material in pink. There's black and white, but it's like stitched with the pleats down the center to create these really cute ruffles on both sides of the headband. And they just are one of my favorite headbands I've seen this year. I just like the way the style is, the ruffle at the top and the way that they sit on the headband. There's these new clips to help. It doesn't leave marks in the hair, to hold your hair as it sets. There's the new elastics. You could also use them as a bracelet. And then we've got the large scrunchies with a bunch of different fabric patterns. We've got the pink one here. There's also a blue one, and then the bride jewelry. It's always like the pearl with the gold background. There's a couple different barrettes. There's some hair combs and bobby pins with all of the pearls and gold finish. We've got some bobby pins in a 6-pack. There's the gold barrettes with the clip on the back, and then the one with the open center. We've also got these large claw clips by Enchante Accessories. It looks like it kind of has a paint splatter on it. There's the pink and black and the sage green and white. For the pharmacy and personal care items, they have this depilatory shaving powder for hair removal by Be Pure. There's the Dermacell Labs toning solution with witch hazel and rose water, some sugar vanilla bath bombs, and the champagne toast. You get 4 bath bombs in each packet. There's the Body Rays Candy Apple Shower Gel with the 2 bath bombs, or you can also get the Sugar Cookie scent. They have the large bath bomb Cherry Blossom scent in the heart shape, and some new hand sanitizers. We've got the Shea Butter scent and the Aloe scent, and those are all the antibacterial hand sanitizers. We have the Coconut Lime scent, Cucumber Melon, and the Pomegranate Vanilla. Then I found these fun hand soaps. They have a strawberry and pineapple container. They are plastic, but they're absolutely adorable. And then we've got the bath bombs to kind of coordinate. They have a pineapple scented bath bomb. They also have the watermelon bath bombs, and either the round or the one that looks like a watermelon wedge, and some more of the peach scented bath bombs. Then I found the peach scented sheet mask. You get 1 mask. The fun finds, we have some new lights. These are the mini LED lights. It's got the light on the front with the push button. There's also a hanger on the back that you could either fold in, or you can hang it by the magnet. It's really up to you. Also some fun fashion pens. They have the race cars. There's green, red, and blue. And those are in those round tubs up by the register. Over in the home decor, some more of these glass bottles with the really pretty gemstone style stopper in the top. They also have some that have the clear birds on top, which are so pretty. Also some new candle holders. I really like the shine finish. There's the off-white, kind of like vanilla color. There's black, gray, and white. They have these candle votives with the stands in the black and gold. They had a whole bunch of those out. Those are a restock item. And then the wax melts with the tea light candles in red, white, and black. For home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section, we have the Crayola poster stickers. You get 56 characters. These are the animal print. It has like the tigers, cheetahs, and giraffe. They also have some that look like chocolate chip cookies. There's the birthday candles, the outer space, the pink animal print, and then we have just the metallic and blue. Then there are these new Jot brand neon crayons. They're the large crayons for small hands and all the neon colors. You get 10 different colors there. There's the incorporated color point skin tone colored pencils. That comes in a 4-pack. And then there's the Jot brand skin tone crayons, and that comes in a 24 count with lots of different skin tone colors, which you can see up at the top. We've also got the 16 count Crazy Art scented crayons and the mini color by number books. We've got the 24 fun color pages with 4 markers, and there is the Silly Sloth and Friends and the Unicorn Dreams. Over in Housewares, Home Maintenance and Storage, we've got the pump lids restocked for the mason jars. Those come in the silver or in the black. So I've been using these on a mason jar in the bathroom for about 6 months now, and the finish is still holding up really well. So I'm really happy to report that. A lot of times the finish will kind of chip or tarnish. It's not. The storage and maintenance, we've got these extra large storage straps that comes in a 2-pack with the plastic clip on the end, and it does Velcro. They're stretchy as well. And then there is the Shed Shield pet hair remover. It's kind of like a fresh scent. It's a fabric softener, and it is to repel pet hair. Over in the kitchen and pantry, we have the can cups, or like the solid cups that look like a soda can in 2 sizes. There's also the ceramic magnets, and they put these out each week, it seems, a new set. They always have really pretty colors, flowers, and different sayings on the front. I absolutely love these, and they sell out so quickly around here. And those are usually on those plastic strips hanging down the aisle. There's also the shelves, or the little baskets that hang on the shelves in the refrigerator, and they have those in the clear. Some more of these tumblers with the ombre finish, and the straws has that little lid that pops in there. They have them in the blue and purple, yellow and pink, and blue and green. Those have been restocked this week as well, and those are selling really quickly. Over in the party supplies, we have a bunch of these packs of the tissue paper. You get 8 sheets. There's like 4 of the printed, 4 of the solid. They have a bunch of the new summer ones out with like the palm leaves, flamingos, flowers, mermaids, and some seasonal fruit like lemons and things like that. Then we've got these new table skirts. They sell them in green, red, blue, and in white that I've seen so far. And it has the measurement. It's 17 by 25 inches. There's also the table covers. There's the rainbow or the neon kind of 90s pattern. I love these white star shapes. And these extra large buttons. It says Birthday Queen, Best Birthday Ever, Birthday Mode On. And then there's the blue background with the birthday cake. And these are those really large, extra large birthday buttons. They're like 5.5 inches across, so they're quite large. Lots of new gift boxes in the round. We've got the flowers. It's got the glitter lid with the flower that coordinates with the flowers on the side. This one has a butterfly on the top with coordinating flowers. And then there's the really pretty orange, green, pink, and yellow. Also has a flower on top. And then the triangle pattern with the different shades of green and orange. There's these inflatable headbands. You get a 6-pack. There's tigers, some birthday cakes, some cupcakes. There's unicorns. And now for the seasonal items. So this week we have the grass skirts. These are in the children's sizes and adult sizes with the raffia. Bunch of the lays. So this one has sort of like new pom-poms that they put together to create a lei. And then there's of course the traditional flowers, a bunch of different styles and designs. There's some softer pastels. You've got the brighter colors for some. And then there's like an ombre, multicolor, or the solids. We've got these headbands. There's a couple different designs, and this year they've got these flower bracelets. They actually come in a 12-pack. You get 2 of each color. There's red, blue, purple, orange, and the multicolor in green. Some flamingo cups. I thought those were really cute. The popcorn bags, you get those in an 8 count. And on the front, they say it's summertime and hello summer. They've restocked the watermelon cups with the strap. There's also the lemon wedge, some ice cream cone cups. There's those really large, like 32-ounce cups. And then this week they had these adorable popsicle cups, basically like a kind of like the watermelon one. Just got the strap. It has the popsicle stick. When you take that off, that's the straw topper. And they're so cute. You've got pink, the green, and purple. There's also these cups for the 4th of July. It says like get your sparkle on. And then the light up tumblers, those are restocked as well. So lots of restocks this week. They had these out for probably about a month now. They sell out really quickly and they finally got some more in. So they were able to restock the shelves with these. We've got a bunch of these tinsel, garland, a whole bunch of different designs in the red, white, and blue with stars, American flags. Some eyeglass cases. They say like USA. There's the quilt pattern, the flag pattern. This one has a star on it. And the eagles. There's fireworks. I love these cupcake picks. They look like fireworks coming out of the top. Those are in those really pretty metallic colors. They have red, silver, and blue. The large serving bowls. And then for toys and games, they brought back these little dolls. We bought one of these like 14 years ago for my daughter. She still has it. And then there's these fun water squirters by Gabby's Dollhouse. There's also the Paw Patrol water squirters. And then I showed you guys like a week or so ago, they have these flower building blocks by Makeup Blocks. It fits with the Lego brand. There's like 95 to 109 pieces in each one. There's 4 different flowers. I only found 3. I found the 2 on the top and the pink one on the bottom. Couldn't find the purple one, but we built them this week and I was pleasantly surprised. These sit about 4 inches tall, really well made, and they're really pretty when they're put together. So I want you guys to see those. The Dollar Tree Plus section, we have some new sandals. They have ones that are like the Birkenstock style. They have the glitter on the top in black, and they come in like shoe sizes 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Bunch of sandals, and they have like the different straps on them and braided design with the buckle. We've got the flip-flops with the rhinestones on top, and then the purple slides. Then I found these new $5 swimsuit cover-ups. They're 36 by 36 inches. It says one size fits most. They have them in white and in black. I was excited to find those. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before. $5 really wasn't too bad of a price. And that's all for today's video. You guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you could hit that thumbs up, I would really, really appreciate it. And also, if you could share this video, that would mean a whole lot to me. I really, really would appreciate that. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you back on Tuesday.